Hello student, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapeeth High School, Kolhapur. Chapter 4, Altitudes and Medians of a Triangle. Let us see the third part, that is the property of a centroid of a triangle. Next point, the property of the centroid of a triangle. Let us see the property. The centroid divides each median in the ratio, that is 2:1. Let us see the example. This is triangle ABC and there are the medians, that is first AD, then BE and CF. Hence, this having the centroid point, that is denoted by G, and these centroid divide each median in the ratio 2:1. Let us see the first median, that AD divide by these centroid point G into AG and GD. Here AG and GD. If AG is 2, then GD is 1. Hence, this centroid divide this median in the ratio 2:1. As like this, second, the median BE is divided by this G centroid into BG and GE. If BG is 2, then GE is 1, that is 2:1 ratio. Then the third, that is CF median, divide by this G into CG and GF. If CG is 2, then GF is 1. Hence here is the 2:1 ratio. The point of vertex, and this is the point of on the opposite side, that is the middle point of this opposite side. Hence, the part that is 2 is toward the vertex and the part 1 is at the, that is the base or the opposite side. So, the property that the centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1, there are some examples on this in the practice set. Question number 7, that is depends on the property of the centroid. Fill in the blanks. They are given as a triangle ABC, and point G is the centroid of this triangle, that is ABC. Then example number 1, if length RG, that is length RG is given here, is equal to 2.5, then find out the length GC. Here is length GC that we are find out. Hence, first the centroid divides each median in the ratio, that is 2:1. Let us see the first example. In this, length CG divided by length GR is equal to 2:1, that is the ratio. Then fill the price of this, the RG. Hence, length CG divided by given is 2.5 is equal to 2 divided by 1, that is the ratio. Hence, length CG is equal to 2.5 into 2, that is length CG or GC is equal to 5. Then example number 2, if BG is equal to 6. Let's see here, BG is equal to 6. Then length BQ is equal to, find out. Length BQ, total length BQ, we will to find out. Hence, again the property of centroid we are using here, that is the ratio 2:1. Hence, in second example, we can write as length BG divided by length GQ. Length BG divided by length GQ is equal to, that is 2:1. This is the property. Then given is length BG, that length BG is equal to 6 divided by length GQ is equal to 2 divided by 1. Hence, length GQ is equal to 6 upon 2. 2:1 and here 3. And length ZQ is equal to 3. Let us see here, length BQ is the total length, that is length BG plus length GQ. Hence, length BQ is equal to length BG plus length GQ. Then we are fill the value of BG, that is given 6 plus, that is value of that GQ is equal to 3 and is equal to 9. Hence, length BQ is equal to 9. Let's see the example number 3. If length AP is equal to 6, length AP is equal to 6, then length AG and length GP is to find out. Let's see the property of the centroid. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. By this, the length AG divided by length GP is equal to 2:1. By this, the property. Hence, length AG is equal to 2 into length GP. This GP is taken to this side. Hence, 2 into length GP. Let length GP is equal to X. This length GP we given as a X. Hence, length AG is equal to 2x. Then by this property, total length AP is equal to length AP is equal to length AG plus length GP. Here is the prices of these two. We fill these prices. Length AG 2x plus length GP, that is the x, and length AP is equal to, that is 3x. They are given us the price of AP. AP is equal to 6. Total this AP, fill that price, that is 6. 6 is equal to 3x and x is equal to 6 upon 3, that is 2. hence x, that is length, we are here, let the length GP, hence length GP is equal to 2, and the length AG is equal to 2 into x, hence 2 into 2 is equal to 4, hence length AG is equal to 4. Here we are finding out the length GP is equal to 2 and length AG is equal to 4, and total length AP is equal to 6, that is the given.